It's laundry day. Hi, hello, shalom. My name is Haley Beckel and I am obsessed with TLC. The Learning Channel is my favorite channel, and one of the shows on TLC is Extreme Cheapskates, which brings me to the subject of today's video, dishwasher lasagna.
The lasagna's in the dishwasher and it's cooking. Fish, hot dogs, lasagna, I'm telling you, I do it all the time.
And the execution of this is horrendous. So let's get started. So when I was draining the pasta, one of the noodles actually fell in the sink. But I'm gonna use it anyway because we're putting it in the dishwasher. It's gonna be clean, I think. So here is our dishwasher lasagna before putting it in the dishwasher. Apparently we're supposed to cover it heavily in foil and then put it in the top rack. Well, it's in there. How much do you want to bet that this thing tastes like straight up soap? I guess I'll see how it tastes. Cheers. It doesn't taste like soap. It's cold too. How is it cold? I don't understand. It was in like a boiling hot dishwasher. I mean, it tastes like lasagna. It's just not a good lasagna, but it tastes like a lasagna, like a very wet, slimy lasagna. I would not recommend this as like a dinner thing. Like, do not serve this to your parents, to your friends, to your significant other and be like, hey, I made you dishwasher lasagna, like, let's eat. No, that's nasty. Well, that is it for now. If you enjoyed this, please let me know. If you did not enjoy this, please let me know. If there are any other weird food related things, challenges that you want me to try, please let me know. My stomach hurts. Bye-bye.